Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about the reason why this crypto market crashed so bad. Let's dive in. Trump imposed tariffs to begin Tuesday as Mexico, Canada announced retaliatory response. I don't want to go into details here, but it was a mess itself. Crypto sees over $1.7 billion liquidations in the last 24 hours as Trump tariffs dampen over-leveraged bullish sentiment. Actually, the crypto market saw over $2 billion liquidation in the past 24 hours following Donald Trump's announcement of tariffs. Investors fear that the ongoing trade war would fuel inflation and cause interest rates to stay higher for longer. What does this all mean, and what to do as a crypto investor? In the short term, this looks right. This looks bearish for the time being as a crypto investor. Why? High tariffs. If this high tariffs was imposed on multiple countries, there comes a high inflation in the United States, plus uncertainty rises. That was why the DXY dollar index and gold price rose up significantly a day ago. And then Fed cannot lower interest rates and they cannot print money. In short, liquidity crisis would arrive. And this looks not good for both crypto and stock market. In the long term, however, this could be wrong. What I'm trying to say here is high tariffs, if this is imposed on Mexico, Canada, China, Taiwan, South Korea, and so forth, higher inflation will arrive in the United States for sure. But as time goes by, other countries have to use Bitcoin in global trades instead of their own currencies because their currency will lose value against dollar, against whatsoever, because of the inflation. They might need more Bitcoin as inflation hedge. And this would be fantastic for Bitcoin in the long term for sure. In the short term, this would be wonderful buying opportunity. In the long term, this could be a wonderful selling opportunity. In the future. I think I'm too much optimistic here. But here's the thing. On January 24th, Trump demands Fed rate cuts 2 weeks ago. And on February 3rd, Trump mentioned Fed made the right call last week to pause rate cuts. Donald Trump said Federal Reserve was right to pause its rate-cutting path in its decision last week. Why did Trump change his word on Fed rates 2 weeks ago and now? I think investment is to bet on the future, not on the present. What is going to happen could be the next question then. Well, in my personal opinion, Mr. Trump will threaten Mexico, Canada, European Union, and even more countries like Taiwan, Vietnam, South Korea, and so forth. And this could increase tension in the market for the time being. As long as I think this tension continues in the market, I think we might have the ultimate buying opportunity. This could last a week or a month, I don't know. What does Trump really want? He wants lower rates and print US dollar. In order to boost US economy and pump both markets to win the midterm election in November next year to make America great again. But, however, this is not possible until inflation comes down. That was why Trump forced OPEC to lower oil prices and United States to produce more oil, shale gas, whatsoever, in order to, disinflate the oil price, the CPI, PPI, those figures. That was why Trump said Fed's decision to pause the interest rate was right. Bitcoin dominance reached 64%, and this was the highest level since March 2021, 4 years ago. And in other words, Bitcoin price dipped, whereas altcoin price collapsed in the past day or two. This means whatever you buy in this dip, whatever you buy, will be profitable later this year. That's what I think. What do you think? Thank you for listening.